Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can choose the numeric entries in Weintek HMI. Means how can set the time value from the HMI in the Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Logo Soft Comfort software, and here we will design a timer program. I will choose internal memory bit. For example, any you can choose. I will choose this M1, and after we will choose the one timer, which is we in the special functions on delay timer. If you need off delay or on off delay, any timer you can choose it from here, and after place it here. And next we will choose one output to test our timer. So this is very simple and easy method. So how we can do this is just connect our M1 to our timer, and this we have to be connected with the output. And this time value, how we can take at the HMI, and after set the time, this time setting we have to be make setting from the HMI. Because of in here we can just right click and go to the block properties, and here we can change the time anytime if we like to be set. But main point is how we can set this time from the HMI in display. So first this program when write finish, after we will go to the tools and just parameter p mapping. Here you have to be go. Just click it here. Automatically which timer you used in the PLC, that will be shown here. And after here you have to be write the parameters. Which parameter you like to take on the HMI, that you have to be selected here. For example, I need this data for the on delay time. I like to be set from HMI, so I will select the on delay. If I like to read the time and current time, which is running time, that's if I like to see, I will choose this one current time. So first I will choose this on delay, and here I have to be set the value of data which I like to write in the HMI. So for example, this is first bit 0 I will like to choose, so that's 0. And in next data, same this timer, I like to read the value which is yani running time or current time, that's I need. And that's we can choose this one 2 data number. So write 2, any also you can write, but nothing issue. If you choose 2, it's okay, no problem. And also if you need one more data like to be choose, means for example remaining time or on delay time base, if you like to be write, also you can take. Or remaining time if you need, also you can click it on remaining time. After this will be automatically choose this data number 4 and click it just okay, and download this program to the PLC. Just wait only to even connecting the device and click on yes. Now your program is successfully downloaded to the PLC, and just make the simulation, or you can online test mode can be open. Okay, and click it okay. After your program is now monitor mode is ready, and here is this time we will see in our HMI and also in our PLC. So we will go to our Easy Builder Pro, and here we will just design this program. So first of all we will take it the one bit. For example, this is M1, which data there used, that data you have to be choose it here. And I will choose this one toggle button and click it OK. And where you like to be placed, you can place it here. Okay. And for example, this address you have to be must understand. Don't forget any address. M1 and this timer address, and this is output address. So M1 is my input address, and next we have to be take the one lamp we will be take, and that's address is the Q1. Okay, and click it OK, and here where you like to be placed, that you can place. You can see here is a Q1 is our output address. And next we have to be choose the, for the time setting, have to be choose the numeric entries. You can see in here, this is the numeric entries. Click it on this one, and here you can see this is the numeric entries. So our first data is VW0. So first this one I will choose for the set time. We can place it here. This is our set time. You can increase its size, depend on your choice, no problem. And after one more we will take the copy, and here we will make the paste, and just this you can put it here. And one more if we like to be need, we can press it and write it here, and align with the this small dots you can see, you can align with these dots. Okay, and also if you like to be give the text name here, you can just click it here, and you can, this is our main heading, also we can put it this one here. If you like to change the size, this one already in previous videos already I explained, but again I will tell you, this is your main heading, anywhere you can put this one. And after here you can choose this one again, this one, for example, set time, and this size you can be reduce. For example, this size I will be take for 15, and click it OK, and you can place it here. And again you can choose copy and make it here, paste. Just this tag you can give the name running time. Okay, and this one you can see, this one more we can make the paste, and this is the, this what data yani, we have to be see remaining time, I think so we choose it here, remaining time. Okay, and this is, and this you button you can make it name this one, sorry, again one more paste, and you can take it here, this name start timer. Any comment you can give, this is no problem. And this number you can give the name for the lamp, double click, and lamp. Okay, so this is first our is VW0, and this data register you have to be change the data register, this is the 2, and this is the remaining time, I think so this is the data register 4. That's we have to be must remind, don't forget. And this program you have to be download to the HMI. If you have physical HMI, you can click it on the download, otherwise you can click it on the online simulation. When you click it on the online simulation, after you can see there is some problem, why this is showing any not response. So if we have to be cross check our PLC, this is again we have to be one more time download this program, transfer PC to logo, and wait for some time. Click it again, yes, again click it yes, and make it again monitor on, and click it OK. Now this is monitoring is okay, but this is if not running, again we will be go into the go into Easy Builder Pro, and that's this what we see, this is not input allow, and this is also not input allow, and just this one you can arrange and make it again simulation on, and again we will be try to check. Now our successfully is monitored. So you can see here is now our time, which time we are setting here, that's shown here. So I will change this time. For example, I will write this one 3 minutes 3 seconds, sorry. So you can see here is time is the changed, and as I press on the start timer, after our timer will be start and our output will be on, and here our running time show, and here will be remaining time show. I will press this one, and also I will show you in the camera. This is in display in my camera time. Also we will be shown it here, after you can easily understand. That's maybe have a little net problem. So first we will check this one. I will make it on, and you can see this time is started, and here is time also started, and your output is on now, right? And when again I will press this one, this will be stop. So we will check our camera why not running. Just again we will make it on. Once I will cancel, again we will make it on. Sorry, this is Arun webcam. Yeah, it's now showing. It's little have a net problem, and I will make it this one highlight. Now you can see, I will make it little zoom. Now it's showing the 3 minutes, okay? And I will change this time, for example put it to 5, and you can see here is the time also changed, and when we press this one, it will be 5 minutes after. This will be our on our output, and our output is also can be see in our PLC, in the can be shown here in our. See, I will stop this one. Again I will change this time. For example, we need the 6 seconds, and click it OK, and we will start, and time is running, and here is time remaining, right? As will be completed 6 seconds, our output will be on. And as I gives the again signal, because of we are using this one in the toggle button, as I will be click again, our output will be off, and our lamp will be also off. So hope guys you will be understand about this program, how we can write the time value from the HMI and display the time in the HMI. Which time we will set it in the PLC, that's time we can set from the HMI. So hope you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.